Welcome to Neural Tech Analytics. In today's session, we're diving into the heart of data manipulation in Python, Pandas data structures. Specifically, we'll explore the three pillars: series, data frame, and index objects, the building blocks of powerful data analysis workflows. Series, the 1D labeled array. What is a series? A Pandas series is a one-dimensional labeled array capable of holding any data type: integers, floats, strings, Python objects, etc. Import pandas as PD. Creating a series data equals pd.series. 10, 20, 30, 40, index equals abcd print data. Works like a NumPy array but with labels index. Supports vectorized operations. Easy element access using labels or integer positions print data. Hash positional access. It displays A10B 20C 30D. In a future version, integer keys will always be treated as labels, consistent with data frame behavior. To access a value by position, use _ser.iloc, print data 1. Ideal for time series data, single column data like prices, temperatures, etc. Data frame, the 2D powerhouse. What is a data frame? A data frame is a two-dimensional, size-mutable, and heterogeneous tabular data structure with labeled axes, rows, and columns. Creating a data frame df equals pd.dataframe. Name, Alice, Bob, Charlie. Age, 25, 30, 35. Score, 85, 30, 35. Print df columns can be different data types: row and column labels, index and columns. Powerful tools for filtering, aggregation, transformation. Print df.logs, hash access row by label. Print hash access row by position. It displays name, age, score 0, Alice 2, 5851, Bob 30902, Charlie 359, 513035. Name, age, d-type, int 64. Name, Alice. Age 25. Score 85. Name, 0, d-type, object name, Bob. Age 30. Score 90. Name, 1, d-type, object. Ideal for datasets similar to Excel spreadsheets or SQL tables, structured data analysis, cleaning, and preprocessing. Index objects, the invisible backbone. What is an index? An index in Pandas is an immutable array-like object that labels the axes of series and data frames. Printef.index, printef.columns. Why is index important? Enables fast lookups, supports automatic alignment of data. Useful in joins, grouping, resampling. Custom index, df.index equals row 1, row 2, row 3. Print df. It displays range index. Start equals 0, stop equals 3, step equals 1. Index, name, age, score, d-type equals object. Name, age, score, row 1, Alice 2585, row 2, Bob 3090, row 3, Charlie 3595. Crucial for merging datasets, time series indexing, reshaping data, or multi-level indexing, multi-index. Quick recap in forward view: series equals 1D labeled array, like a column. Data frame equals 2D labeled matrix, like a table. Index equals axis labels that power Pandas efficiency. That's it. A quick but essential dive into Pandas data structures. Today we explored the three core pillars: series, data frame, and index objects, which form the foundation of efficient and intuitive data analysis in Python. At Neural Tech, we offer industry-aligned data analytics training that leads directly to job-ready skills and real-world results. Visit our website to learn more.